Okay na? Okay. Guys, good morning. Jom Soriano here and back with another YouTube video sa ating YouTube channel, Usapang Darts at iba pa. Before we continue guys, yung background music, it's not ours. So, there's no copyright intended in making this YouTube video. Alright, so just a disclaimer. Okay, right now, ang ating, we have a new darts day, 180 darts. Don't know what specific ID is this, but 23 grams siya. Tapos meron siyang malalaking ring for grip purposes, and meron siya rito design. Ayan, parang may pixel siya rito. So 23 grams siya with 34 mission points. Actually, it's not mission points. It's a faded diamond point. Ayan o, as you can see, faded diamond point siya. Ayan. Anyway, super grip with the medium shop setup and standard plights marathon. So ito yung ating ihagis for today, no? Hagis tayo ng at least 3 sets ng 501 as always. And yung disclaimer po natin, hindi po tayo yung expert darter or rated darter. So kung anong number of darts natin matapos yung laro, doon na po yun, no? So again guys, and before we continue with the video, please like and subscribe. And disclaimer, this video is not intended for copyright due to the background sound. It's not ours, okay? So sige, hagis tayo guys. Maganda yung sounds, kaya lang it's not ours, di ba? So again, YouTube, no copyright intended. No copyright intended. So again guys, wala nang practice, hagis na agad tayo. Game 501. Tignan natin kung tama yung setup. Game. $37 464 464 464 15 449 kapit 449 30 419 419 11 408 408. So struggle sa production. 448 40 360 368 ng mga marin 70 298 298 55 55 298 55 240 243 95 148. So kung makatch up 148, pwede na. For 898 50 left. Uy, sana eh. 5 left. 5 left. Double 2. Double 1. Ayun na naman. Guys, maganda na tayo sa dulo. Huli, double 1. Yan. Huli. Okay. 1 down. Second set. $40. 461. $461. 420. 420 guys, 420. Or 20, 100, 320, 320. Uy, kala ko 180 na eh. 320, 140. 180 left. 180 left. $80, 47, 133, 133.60, 73 left. Tops. Kuha guys, kuha. 13, 20, 73. Last set, last set. $30, 471. $471.26 or 45. Or 45, 60, 385. 385, last set guys, last set, 385. 385, 300 left. 300 left. So, home stretch tayo guys, home stretch, habol tayo. $85, 215 left. $215, 45, 215, 45, 170 left. 170 left. $170, 45, 125 left. Sumiksik lang. 15, 110 left. Nahuli guys. So, ito dapat ang una para 18 double 16. So 110, 85. 25 left. 9 double 6. 988 pala. Yan, huli na guys, huli na. Huli na, 988. Single 9, 16. 25. Ayan. So natapos din guys, no. Mas maganda yung ano natin dito, maganda yung hagis natin siya. Nag-catch up tayo guys, bagong kapit lang natin tong darts na to, no. So syempre kapapa, but anyway 24 grams naman siya, 23 grams naman siya. So medyo nasa may weight range natin, so maaga tayo naka-adjust, naka-catch up tayo. Struggle tayo nung una kasi puro barya yung hinahagis natin. Pag sinabing barya guys sa palaro ng darts, yun yung mga less than 60, mga barya, mga 30, 26, 25, ganyan, no? But anyway, ayan, naka-catch up tayo kasi nga nasa weight range, maganda naman siya. Maganda rin yung setup natin. 34mm to guys. Itong diamond point na to. Diamond point na, again, faded. Faded siya. Siguro ang ginawa dito is ayan, no? Niliha siguro yan, kaya ganyan. Anyway, yan. Ito, sobrang kapit niya. Ayan, no? Kita niya naman, makapit. So maganda yung bigay. Tama rin yung setup natin. Nag-catch up tayo dun sa mga later rounds nung later throws natin. Kumuha tayo ng mga 85. Muntik pa tayo mag 1080, no? Nakakuha tayo ng 140 at one time. So yun, solid siya guys, no? Solid na solid tong 180 darts na to. So maganda siya. But anyway, ayan. Tapos na po yung ating usapan. So thank you so much for watching the video, and palike and subscribe na lang po, no? Again, this is Jom Soriano. Bye for now po.